Heya! In this video we're gonna see how to stop Meta from using your personal data to improve its AI on Facebook. So for that we need to open the Facebook app. After that we need to press here, those three lines, and later on we press on the settings icon. We need to scroll down and we press here on privacy policy. After that we need to look for the object, which is gonna be in blue. Scroll down, and to this email address you're gonna receive the confirmation. We don't have to write anything in here, it's optional, so we just gotta confirm, submit. Press OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching and leave us a like. Bye!